When you solve equations with variables on both sides, you need to remember that you have a similar goal. You always have the same goal, and that is to isolate the variable. So let's rewrite problem 1. X plus 4 equals negative x minus 4. So we've got the left side of our equation and the right side of our equation. And what I would like to do is put down some colors here. Let's make our left side orange, and let's try to get all of the x's on the left side. And we'll make the right side blue, and we'll try to get everything that's just a number on the right side. When you put variables on the same side and numbers on the same side, then it's easier to solve. So this variable minus x right here, let's work with that first. So it's negative x or minus x, so let's add x to both sides, and we will be able to cancel this. X plus x is 2x. Now let's move this plus 4. Let's move that out of the way by subtracting 4 from both sides. Plus 4 minus 4, those cancel. And then right here, I'm looking here, minus 4 and another minus 4, or negative 4 plus negative 4 equals negative 8. Bring your equal sign straight down. Okay, this here, this is multiplication. It's 2 times the variable x. So we need to divide by 2 to simplify that. So x equals negative 4. Now put negative 4 into the original problem and see if it works. The original problem was x plus 4 equals negative x minus 4. So substitute negative 4 in for x. Negative 4 plus 4 equals negative 4 minus 4. So remember, there was already a minus 4 right there. There, see? And because x equaled negative 4, we have a situation where we're subtracting a negative, or distributing a negative, and it turns it into a positive 4. So on this side, negative 4 plus 4 equals 0. On this side, positive 4 minus 4 is 0, so 0 equals 0. That works. Let's look at problem 2 also. Negative 3x. 2 minus 3x equals negative x minus 8. Got the left side and the right side. Everything on the left will make green, so all of the variables are green. And then everything on the right side will make this pink color here. All of the numbers are pink. So we need this x, this minus x, to go to the other side. So let's add x to both sides. These cancel. Minus 3x plus x is going to be minus 2x. Then this positive 2 right here, let's move that to the other side by subtracting 2 from both sides. These cancel. Bring your equal sign straight down, and that equals negative 10. This right here, this is negative 2 times x. So we need to get rid of negative 2 times, so we'll divide by negative 2 on both sides, and x equals 5. Now substitute 5 into the original equation and see if your work makes sense. 2 minus 3 times 5 equals negative 5 minus 8. So do this multiplication, this right here, first. 2 minus 15 equals negative 5, negative 8. You owe $5, you owe $8. Altogether you owe $13. Does that work? 2 minus 15, does that equal negative 13? Yes, it does. Now I want to look at problem 3, and then I'll stop this video. At Silver Gym, membership is $25 per month, and personal training sessions are $30 each. So $25 a month plus $30 per training session. We'll put an S there. At Fit Factor, a membership is $65 per month, and personal training sessions are $20 each. In 1 month, how many personal training sessions would Sarah have to buy to make the total cost at the 2 gyms equal? I don't know why she's going to 2 gyms at the same time. Maybe she's you know what? Maybe she's shopping for the perfect gym. So, we've got the left side of the equation and the right side. So let's move all of the variables to the left, and all of the constant terms, the numbers with no variables, we'll keep those on the right hand side. So let's make this positive 25 go away by subtracting 25 from both sides. I made this line right here to help me remember to keep things in balance. 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. 65 minus 25 is 40. Now let's make this 20s. Make that go to the other side by subtracting it from both sides. These cancel. So now bring your equal sign straight down. So you should have 10s equals 40. Divide both sides by 10. You get s equals 4. So after 4 sessions, things will be the same. So let's check. Silver Gym. So 25 plus 30 times 4. That should equal what she would pay at the Fit Factor, which is 65 plus 20s. And s was 4. So 25 plus 120, does that equal 65 plus 80? It looks like they'll both be 145. So how many personal training sessions would Sarah have to buy to make the total cost of the 2 gyms equal? 4 sessions.